Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify identity theft coverage with Allstate, beginner guide step by step. Understanding your identity theft coverage with Allstate is crucial for your financial safety. Start by logging into your Allstate online account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Allstate website. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, locate the Policies section on the main menu. Click on Policies to view all your current insurance products. Look for your identity theft coverage policy within the list. Click on the policy for more details. Review the coverage details highlighted in your policy. Pay attention to the specific benefits included, such as, next, check the coverage limits mentioned in your policy. Make a note of any deductibles that may apply to claims. If you have difficulty finding information, use the search feature on the website. You can also refer to your policy documents if you have them available. Consider contacting Allstate customer service for further clarification. Find the contact information on the website or within your account. When calling, have your policy number ready for quicker assistance. Ask any specific questions you have about your coverage. Inquire about the steps to take if you suspect identity theft. Make sure to ask about the claims process for identity theft incidents. Take notes during the conversation for future reference. After obtaining all necessary information, assess whether you feel secure with your coverage. If needed, consider discussing additional options for enhancing your identity theft protection. Review your coverage annually to ensure it still meets your needs. With these steps, you will effectively verify your identity theft coverage with Allstate. Stay informed and proactive about your identity protection for peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.